Rob to talk about the From East to West with Love project phase 2. This is very exciting time for us because we have secured the funding from Coventry City Council and Coventry University, and this will enable us to take the project further out of the city and out of the country. We will be going to Poland for a van trip.
Right, okay, this is Great Britain. It's making a right mess of things at the moment. And this here is Poland. And it is also making a right mess of things at the moment. So, what we're actually going to do, we're going to leave this place here. Here's what I made earlier. So I'm going to leave Coventry, Great Britain, in the builder's truck with 1 ton of salt. There are going to be many artists from Coventry and the surrounding area, and they are going to shovel the salt onto the back of this vehicle. Spilt a bit on the way. That's customs. Now we're going to, should we talk about seriously a little bit about this project?
Yeah.
Well, let's give some data. So it's 1,072 miles from Coventry to Lots in Łódź. Łódź. Okay. So it's 100. So which is 172 miles. It's right. Okay. So a little bit of data. So it's 1,072 miles from Coventry to Łódź in Poland. The really unfortunate element of this whole project for somebody else is they're going to travel in the van with me. I know there's not many takers at this stage. Oh my God.
No, what we're doing is we're actually going to have an internship for someone, so we're going to advertise it later on, probably just before Christmas or after Christmas, to recruit someone to document the journey, create regular vlogs, live streams and updates on social media, just to keep you guys informed about where we are, what's happening, and just to let you know what exactly is happening, so you can be part of this experience as well, so you can come with us.
And also what happens along the way, stories, the conversations, filling up with fuel, buying food, just that interaction that we have with people, both still in Great Britain and across mainland Europe, which I think is going to be really exciting, and it's going to be really interesting because nobody actually knows quite what's going to happen. So what we're going to do is actually do a transient piece of artwork which actually goes somewhere, has a purpose, a very, very important and good purpose, and hopefully it'll be strong.
And what's quite interesting about Łódź is the fact that it does share this post-industrial history, just like Coventry does, and it's also placed in a geographical centre of Poland. So we do feel like this connection is very, very significant to the project because we're going from one centre of one country to the centre of the other country. Some people would say that taking a large quantity of salt and bread in a van all the way to Poland would seem quite extreme and unnecessary, but we have chosen bread and salt for its symbolic reasons. So in Poland, bread and salt is regarded as a symbol of hospitality, and in any official or important event, you would welcome your VIPs with bread and salt. So our understanding is that there is enough bread for everyone, enough salt for everyone, enough work for everyone, and enough space for everyone. And that's what we're trying to show. It is a commentary to what is happening in Britain now and across of the whole of Europe. We are just being so divided, and it is completely unnecessary. And it's important for us to start talking about it rather than just trying to sweep it underneath the carpet like it doesn't exist.
I'm not getting rid of the project. I'm just clearing up. There's only one hire company in the country that was willing to lend us a van for this project, which is just kind of like gobsmackingly crazy. Can you imagine how hard it was to explain to a hire company that we were going to put a ton of salt in the back of the van, drive it to Poland, drop it off, and bring the van back?